Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel.
JAZOMY home. Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so excited for today's video. We are, and our daughter is extra excited because guys, today's video is gonna be all about our daughter's room. We are going to do a huge makeover in this room. As you can see, is very pink, like
old-fashioned. Yes, we've been waiting for this video since before moving.
Yeah,
this was one of our most wanted project that we really want to do to our daughter.
Yes.
And she was very excited when we told her, hey, we're gonna move and now you're gonna have your own room.
Yeah,
you know,
she
was super excited, and here's the day.
Yes, finally.
Today's the day.
In today's video, we're going to be doing a couple stuff. We are going to fix the room, like some holes.
Yeah, some holes. Because this is gypsum board and it's pretty old now. So.
Yes, we're going to add some paint and we're going to add some furniture because this is also like my craft room. So I have all of my craft supplies here. So we want to make some space and organizing, you know, like some stuff. So yeah, we're going to start fixing the walls, adding some sparkling, and then start painting. But I have work, so I need to make another video for my other channel, JAZOMY home. No, oh my god, my other channel.
Oh my god, this is JAZOMY home. You're lost.
Yeah. So I need to make another video. I'm gonna be working in my room, and you can start.
Yeah, we'll start fixing and maybe painting until she finished.
I'm gonna do
hopefully this time she's gonna help me, because last time I think I made the chicken cook by myself. I don't know. That's my thought. What do you think?
I grabbed the chicken.
Oh well, you do it. That's true. That's true. She helps some.
So guys, let's start working on this project. Are you ready?
We are. Let's do it. So now that we removed those screws, we're gonna fix these holes with some spackling so that we can paint later.
Coffee break.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh, that's awesome. This is what I just need.
And a little bit of corn.
Even though it's pretty hot here, like in the 90s, almost in the 90s.
Yes, I'm sweating.
This is awesome.
Oh my god. It's
Cup of coffee and cornbread.
I love it.
Yeah, this is perfect.
No, I mean the paint.
Oh.
The coffee too, I did it. Good morning, people. So it's a new day. I have all the things that I need to start working on this room and help Omi paint the room. I'm finally done with the video for my other channel, so let's get started painting this room. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this cover to protect the bed. We maybe can take it out, but I don't want to have like a mess in other areas in our home, so I'm going to cover the bed so we can start painting the whole room. To cover like the closet, we don't have like closet doors yet, so for now what I put was just like some curtains that I have left in a PVC tube, and it looks really bad, but at least cover like the mess that we have in the closet. All of the things that are here are like 90% mine. So I'm going to take this out to be able to paint all of these pink areas, because I don't want to see any kind of pink color. So let's take this to be able to paint the areas, and yeah, it's a mess, I know, but it's okay. We're taking care of that. It's a new day. So yesterday we painted the whole room white, but it needs a third coat for sure. So we get the paint yesterday, and Omi's gonna start giving the whole room a third coat. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start organizing like all the clothes and things like that. And I get the storage cube organizers from Amazon because it's so much cheaper there, and they are just cream. I get 2 boxes, so I have a total of like 16 cube organizers, and I'm going to start like basically organize all of the clothes and things that I have as best as I can and as much as I can. Let's get started.
Oh my god.
Oh no, you did it, Annie.
By yourself, girl.
Are you happy? Now that all of the walls and the ceiling is paint, Omi's gonna help me, and he's going to put these curtain rods. This is the color. It's not silver, not gold, it's like in between. And I got some curtains from Amazon. They are white, but I think they're super cute. They have like these small pom-poms. Okay guys, so we are at Walmart, and I think it's one of the ways that we can do this project on a budget. So we are looking for storage systems that we can use on my daughter's bedroom, because it's my daughter's bedroom slash craft room, so we have a lot of things. This is like basically the area that you can shop at Walmart for like the storage systems and things like that. So let's go shopping. So my plan was to get maybe some of these cube organizers to be able to organize my stuff and her stuff. And I really like this desk too, maybe in white color.
So this is the only one right here right now.
In white
but
color.
There's just one.
And it's open.
Yep.
I think that we have everything we need. We have a desk, one cube organizer. Here is a 6 cube organizer, and we have another one. Here is a 9 cube organizer. I think that's gonna be all that we are gonna get for today. Okay, so Omi is there in the living room. He's doing like the these storage cube organizers, and I'm going to change my daughter's bed. The theme that I want to do is like wildflowers and like a boho style for her. So I was looking for a comforter or a quilt or something like that, and I got one from Shein. And I really like it. I think the price was pretty good, and it's like this. It's white with wildflowers, pom-poms, with so many dots like in the other side. So yeah, I got these comforter for her, and I'm going to put it. She's gonna be here in like less than 20 minutes from school, so I'm gonna try to put everything together before she's here. Now I have this rug that I got from Marshall's, and I really like it. It has like the jute twine here, and this color is like a very light green. It's from the Nautica brand, and it cost me like $15. So I'm going to, ouch, I don't know if I want to put it like close to the bed or close to the desk. Let's see in what area looks better. Okay, so this is how the rug looks close to the desk, but I'm not sure if I want to leave it there or put it here. Let me show you how it looks in this area. And this is how it looks close to the bed. I don't know, I think I like how it looks close to the bed, but I don't have the chair yet, so I don't know. What do you think? I like it there. Okay guys, so I'm finally almost done with all of the DIYs and projects that I need to make for my daughter's bedroom. But most of the like small DIYs and things like that, I'm going to share all of those on my other channel, DIY by Jazz. So right now I am making all of them. This is like my work area. I have the desk here, so I'm painting. I have the lights, the camera. So this is where, let me show you better. This is like where I am currently making all of the DIYs, and I'm sitting in the bed because I have no chair yet. I am in the process of painting these, paint them green, and I'm really excited for that because I think it's going to add a really nice touch on the ceiling, because everything is like white, so that is going to make a huge difference. This is the green color that I'm using, it's celery from Waverly Chalk Paint. And I have more DIYs here. This used to be blue, I paint them white, I add that for texture, and I think it's gonna look beautiful on the bedroom. I made these for the curtains. I need to put them. I make this beautiful wall art piece, real flowers and leaves. Love it. And I also make some tassels. I hang a few up there, but I need to fix everything a little bit better and add one more. But yeah, I think I'm going to add everything on the walls tomorrow, but for now, yeah, this is what I'm doing. Oh, what is this? No. Ah, no! Oh my god, it's wet. It needs one more coat, but yeah. So this is how the room turns out, and we hope that you like it. We love it and our daughter loves it. So yeah, I think it's super nice.
It's pretty bright. The color,
yes.
the color is pretty bright, especially in this room because she have 2 windows and a lot of light come in. But when she had it in pink color, you couldn't even notice the light that this bedroom had. But now it's pretty bright and it's refreshing.
I think we really nail it. The colors, the style, like a boho style, perfect for a 7-year-old girl. Just what we were looking for, and I think it turns out amazing. But yeah. I love it.
Looks super cool.
I love it. So guys, we're going to leave you the links of all of the things that we use, that we got from Amazon and things like that in the description box. Yes, Walmart too. So all of the links are going to be in the description box of this video.
So don't forget to follow us on our social media pages, also our webpage JAZOMY.com. All the links are always in the description box of this video and every single video.
And guys, remember to follow Omi on Instagram and everything. RC Hoey's PR.
I have a YouTube channel too.
Yeah, that's really nice.
So if you want to check it out, your hobby, you want to check it out,
of course.
please take a look at it.
You can support him.
Thank you so much.
Guys,
see you in the next one. Bye bye.